What is your favorite fruit? What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple. My favorite fruit is apple.
Are you left-handed or right-handed? Are you left-handed or right-handed?
I am right-handed. I am right-handed.
What is your favorite holiday? What is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. My favorite holiday is Christmas.
Do you like to dance? Do you like to dance?
Yes, I like to dance. Yes, I like to dance.
What is your favorite type of music? What is your favorite type of music?
My favorite type of music is genre. My favorite type of music is genre.
What is your favorite drink? What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is Coca-Cola. My favorite drink is Coca-Cola.
Do you have any nicknames? Do you have any nicknames?
No, I don't have any nickname. No, I don't have any nickname.
What is your favorite dessert? What is your favorite dessert?
My favorite dessert is chocolate chip cookies. My favorite dessert is chocolate chip cookies.
Can you speak any other languages? Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak also Hindi. Yes, I can speak also Hindi.
What is your favorite board game? What is your favorite board game?
My favorite board game is chess. My favorite board game is chess.
Do you like to exercise? Do you like to exercise?
Yes, I like to exercise. Yes, I like to exercise.
Do you have any favorite TV shows? Do you have any favorite TV shows?
Yes, my favorite TV show is Game of Thrones. Yes, my favorite TV show is Game of Thrones.
What is your favorite flower? What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is water lily. My favorite flower is water lily.
Do you have any tattoos? Do you have any tattoos?
No, I don't have any tattoos. No, I don't have any tattoos.
What is your favorite type of weather? What is your favorite type of weather?
My favorite type of weather is winter. My favorite type of weather is winter. Please like, comment, and subscribe to this channel.